Hello and welcome to Makula. Today, we'll be showing you how you can make the most out of your asset history. To look at the history of an asset, simply navigate to the asset and go to the History tab. This History tab shows you a list of all work orders, whether those created by you, someone else from your team, your customer portal users via the portal, of course, or any preventive maintenance events that you set up for this asset that then automatically triggered work orders. In addition to this, your asset history also shows you any procedures that your team has filled out on a particular asset. And of course, these procedures are also always part of a work order that your technicians are working on, but these still show up as separate items in the history of the asset. Plus, for example, we can see here that George Newman has flagged something that needs to be checked in a month. And as we scroll further down, Simon's left notes saying we did all the maintenance tasks today. Now, additionally, what you can also see for assets that are part of a hierarchy is the history of other assets in the hierarchy along with the asset in question. Let's say I wanted to see the history of this asset that's directly assigned as a child asset of the Packmaster 100. Let's select a few of our assets that are arranged as sub-assets. And now as we scroll down, we will see that for the filter cartridge, there was an electrical repair. The work order status is still open. Then, just maybe as one other example, again, we've got a procedure on the filter cartridge and another work order that's still open for the filter cartridge. This now gives you a more holistic view of the entire service history of, for example, if in this case this was a production line, then your entire service history for the entire production line, plus all the sub-assets it has arranged in hierarchy. That's all for this video. If you're looking for help on any other items, feel free to check out other videos.